Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Matic video update for Monday 15th of August. And right now I'm looking at Matic, trying to still make some corrections and retracements to the downside. It has been overextended a little bit, and if there's anything you're looking forward for Matic right now is the back testing of the 10 EMA. Okay, now there's a possibility of Matic coming below down here as well to 9161 and back testing the 20 and bouncing off the 20, because the last time you did so you were overextended and you come down to the 20. But to come down to the 20, notice how you always went down to bounce off the 10 EMA as well, lose the 10, bounce off the 20, then went up, and ever since you've just been respecting the 20 and the 10. It's always between the 20 and the 10, and it has never actually wicked down to the 55 at all. Okay, now I wouldn't be surprised if it ever comes down here, but that is not a possible scenario right now, because the pattern that you're putting for Matic is incredible. Okay, you do have a price target up here to $1.2 at the moment, but the question really is, can you actually just come down here? Because you can't even say that it already backtested this yellow line, the neckline here, because you broke out there and you came down here and then you start to move higher. But you can actually still come down again to that line, touch that line, and then try to move back up high again. So if it does that, if it does come down here tomorrow as well, down like that, I don't think that's something really bad. I'm not going to say it's where it's the end of it or anything. I do think it's just healthy correction down there, touch the line, and you're moving to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this Matic video update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.